Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy King's Life, checking in with a new video, man. Today's video is going to be all about the crossfire, man. So we got a new mod that we're about to put on the crossfire today. And yeah, it's a chin spoiler. As you know, I did put that old cheap chin spoiler on there that don't look too good at all. So we got to take that off, man, and we got to change it up, man. So let me show y'all the chin spoiler that I went with. Take these stuff off. Back on me dirty, it's all good. Oh, I got them all over the place. All right, y'all, so we finally got that off. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this one piece right here onto the car. And yeah, I might not just show y'all all the process, guys. It's gonna be a long video, so I'll just show y'all after I get it done, and so you guys can see what it's gonna look like. All right, so I'll see y'all in a minute, y'all. All right, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this, man. It looks dope or what? I like it, man. It brings the whole car out, and it looks nice, man. Even though it's a glossy black, it still bring out the, you know, like the gloss black of it. Pretty dope, man. I like it. I like the design of it too. So yes, sir. It is really, really dope. Y'all drop a comment down below, let me know what y'all think. And yeah, man, we're finna get up out of here so I can wash this thing up. Yeah guys, so just like that, that is it for the video, guys. And y'all just drop a comment down below, let me know what y'all think about the new chin spoiler, man. I like it. It's pretty dope. So yeah, man, with that being said, it's your boy King's Life, checking out with another video. It is super hot out here. Y'all stay safe, stay hydrated, because you don't want to fall out in this Texas heat if y'all stay in the Texas area. But yeah, man, this is it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, man.